Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to update your Brave browser. Okay, so first one, just go ahead over to the top right, click on the 3 horizontal lines. Now we have here settings. Click on it. Now at the bottom left, we have about Brave. Okay, what you're going to do is just click on it. And here, as you can see, it will automatically look for updates. If there are available updates, just wait for it to finish installing. And once that's done, close the browser and you're good to go. Now another option is by going to the top right again, click on the 3 horizontal lines. Now click on help right here and just click on about Brave. There you go. Just wait for it to check for updates. And after that, it will just automatically update and may need you to restart the browser. So just close the browser, reopen it. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. That's how simple it is to update your Brave browser. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.